Okay, it's breakfast, and where's Harley? Yay! Harley's in her crate with the door open, just relax. Okay, so for the last 5 minutes I've been preparing the breakfasts. They're all done. Now this is when Harley usually goes off the rockers a little bit. Here she comes. Ah! No! Harley, out! Dante? Feet, out, out, out. Very good. Okay, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to put Harley away because you can see that her energy's a little bit excited. So I'm going to pop her away so we can feed the other two and then we can do some work with her. Okay, all other dogs are being fed. Time for Harley. Settle down. Okay, we're just going to put the gate. Okay, so we get the gate up so make sure none of the dogs come through. Let Miss Harley out. It's raining outside and we normally do this outside. Okay, settle down. You see that she kind of loses her head. Come, house. And I'm actually putting her outside and closing the door because she tends to run inside and back into her crate. Okay, so this is what we've been practicing, is that I put the food down, she's not allowed to touch it. Ah! 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 No! Leave. 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 Settle down. Settle down. Okay? And now I just leave her even peace.